Who are the winners of the Terra Luna collapse last month? Believe it or not, there are those who won. Stay tuned to find out the details. Hello boys and girls and welcome to Crypto Prodigy YouTube channel, the place where we tell you everything you want to know and everything you need to know regarding your favorite cryptocurrency. In this video, we are going to be talking about none other than Terra Luna 2.0. And of course, I will be providing you with a price prediction on Luna, so if you want to find out where is this price going to go in the future, make sure to stay with us till the end of this video, because first of all guys, I would not want you to miss out on some of the really important and interesting news and updates that we have prepared for you. And believe me when I tell you this, you would not want to miss out on the news, because there is a huge development happening regarding the developers of Terra Luna 2.0 and regarding the most recent crash of the previous Luna Classic. Now, before we go over the news, let me first share a couple of price details regarding Luna at this moment. Right now, the current price is $6.92, which is actually a rise compared to yesterday of the amount of 9.41% in the last couple of hours alone. And all of the details are mostly in green besides the trading volume. This is the only parameter that's in the red right now. It's down by 34.48% as you can see on the screen. But take a look at this awesome price movement in the last 24 hours, folks. The price did start at the beginning of the day at $6.33. After that, it started rising. It seems that the bulls have picked up the scent of the new Luna 2.0 over here. And what's important for us, besides this spike above $7, is the end of the chart right over here. The current value of Luna of $6.91. And where is it going in the future? If that's why you are here for, you have came to the right place, because all you would need to do guys is watch this video till the end and I will provide you with that price prediction. Now, without any further ado, let me get back to the news that I started the video with. As I said guys, believe it or not, there are actually winners from the Terra crash that happened on the previous months. The Terra Luna collapse may be almost a month old and at this point, but its impact remains fresh in the mid of investors. Millions of users of the decentralized finance network had lost billions of dollars when UST had suddenly lost its peg, triggering a rise in supply of Luna, which meant more losses spilling into those who held the native token. However, just like with any other market crash, everyone is not a loser. The Terra crash was no different on this regard. The billions of dollars lost in the crash did not just disappear into thin air. They went to other investors who have emerged as winners of the collapse. The way the Terra ecosystem was structured gave a lot of power to and control to the founders. This is because most of the coins from the pre-mine had gone to Terraform Labs and the backers. This included BTS, an anonymous wallet presumed to belong to the founders. What this meant was that when crypto investors were beginning to adopt the Terra ecosystem, they effectively had to purchase the Luna tokens from those anonymous BTS wallets. These wallets would end up being the winners in this case, who are alleged to have been able to remove the estimated 6 billion before the collapse. Now this is important guys. This 6 billion figure is gotten from the value of Luna at the time of the transaction, where large Luna holdings were moved from these early wallets to exchanges and bridges back in 21 and then again before the crash that occurred in May. Due to the demand created by Anchor Protocol's 20% yield, these large holders were able to burn their Luna and mint UST. These generated stablecoins could then be fed in the high demand created by investors waiting to take advantage of the high yield. So these are the winners guys. While 6 billions in total were tracked at the time of outflows, Arcane Research puts forward the outside profits made on the winners could have been even larger. This is taking into account not only those who had been able to sell off large holdings before the crash, but those who had also shorted the digital asset while the price was crashing. So this is one of the main reasons why we are seeing those possible legal battles on the way for Terraform Labs and Duke One as well. But if we go back to the price of Luna and take a look at it, we can see that today it's actually all in the green. Compared to yesterday when it was dropping, it appears to be climbing right now. The current value is $6.92, and where is it going? I will be telling you that in a minute. But first of all, I would need to say that I'm not a financial advisor, so if you are willing to invest in any kind of cryptocurrency, you should do your own research on this. However, before we get back to that part and the price prediction, I still have one more news to share with you. Now, there is a legal procedure starting in South Korea regarding the crash. There are actually people who are preparing to sue Do Kwon and the Terraform Labs due to the crash because they lost a bunch of money on this. But that's not the important thing in this video. What we want to find out is where is this price going in the future. So let's take a look at this, guys. Now, Terra Luna CEO keeps his words and relaunch prompts investors. Luna price has relaunched after witnessing the largest crash in the crypto history. Luna price has risen from the ashes as the digital asset 2.0 version trades at $7. Right now it's a bit down, a bit under $7. Terra Luna creators have spent the last few weeks creating the public relations at press and responding to investors. So what's gonna happen? Are they working on the price increase right now? If we go back to this chart and take a look at the last 7-day chart, here's what we get. This is the start of the Luna 2.0 when it was valued around $20. After that, there was a drop. As I said in the previous videos, guys, this drop actually happened when the holders that were airdrop tokens started selling them off in order to recoup some of their losses. Now, that sell-off, I am thinking it's finally done here and we are about to witness some price rise in the new Luna 2.0. So is Terra Luna a good investment right now? I would honestly say that it is. And this price of $6.92 we are looking at right here is a great opportunity for all of you who were thinking of entering Luna market right now to do it right away, because the price will start rising and you will be in the money in the next couple of days. Now, I'm not saying that it will reach some amazing heights like, let's say, $20 or $50, but definitely it will be around the area or of $7.50 or maybe even $9 in the very near future. So if you like this video, leave me a comment and thank you for viewing.